All right, so IBS 2025, I'm in the Quaker booth, which also offers Quartz Luxury. I'm here checking out a ton of things that are offered here. Everything that they have says new for 2025 on their glass, and there is a lot that's new for 2025. So starting with the Insight window, that just came out. This is a wood-clad product that they're offering now, which has really narrow sight lines, these gorgeous, sleek Ashlar-style handles. Really just a fantastic product. Has that super spacer in between, so it's got high energy performance and just a ton of glass. You can see here on the section detail, what they offer has that OptiCore technology in it, that sleek beveled exterior glazing bead. There's now a kerf in place that if you need to do exterior trim or expanders, anything like that's available, in that full wood interior with that OptiCore. Really, that's a win. And the market that they're going for on this, I think this window is definitely going to shake up the market. So they do casements, but they also do sliders. They also do a double hung, which is this one here, which is kind of not out of the norm, I guess I would say, for a Quaker product. They offer double hungs, but this new one here, the Insight series, really is sharp. You just see nice square edges, clean, sleek lines, balance system's concealed. It's got a tilting mechanism built right into the sash, and I think they kind of speak to the old historic windows at the same time with the option of that tall bottom rail. So that's pretty cool. Looking forward here, this is the edge line. It's not a curtain wall system, but it's just their direct set units and offered with click glass. All those cool options that everyone really wants to see and show off. So the edge line system here, this isn't curtain wall, it's just picture windows molded together with vertical structural mulls. Really a great way to make a statement and an expansive view without the cost of what the typical systems would be. Now on the outside of this double hung, here's something to check out. You can see here they have that classic mortise and tenon construction that a double hung's really gonna go for. The jam carrier is the same finish on the outside as the exterior finish. That's a huge win. Extruded aluminum clad. This one's got that awesome texture to it because they do a powder coat finish and that gravity fed sill. I think that is a gorgeous window, brand new to the market, definitely gonna shake it up.